Real estate is often touted as one of the best hedges against inflation, and for good reason. Inflation erodes the purchasing power of your money, but real estate has the unique ability to increase in value over time, offering you a way to protect your wealth, especially as prices rise. If you're an American retiree concerned about inflation, you're probably wondering if real estate can really provide the kind of protection you're looking for. Well, the answer is yes, and I'm going to walk you through how and why that's the case. First, let's talk about the power of real estate appreciation. Historically, real estate tends to outpace inflation. When inflation pushes the cost of living up, property values and rents also rise. This means the value of your real estate investments can increase, sometimes significantly, even when inflation is high. As an investor, that's a huge advantage. And if you're thinking about where to park your wealth, this is where real estate shines. It offers stability and growth. Now, let's compare this with other forms of investments. Stocks, while they can be volatile and profitable, don't always keep pace with inflation. In fact, during inflationary periods, the value of stocks can fluctuate wildly. Bonds, too, often fail to offer the same protection against inflation that real estate does. Sure, they can be a safer bet in some circumstances, but inflation can chip away at their purchasing power over time. Real estate, on the other hand, is a tangible asset. When inflation rises, so do property prices, keeping your investment intact and often growing. But it's not just about property values going up. Real estate also gives you the opportunity for rental income. If you own rental properties, the rent you charge can increase along with inflation. This can create a reliable income stream that adjusts with inflation. While your cash savings may lose value due to inflation, your rental income can rise, helping you maintain purchasing power. Now, you might be thinking, this sounds great, but what about the risks involved? That's a valid concern, and while real estate does come with some risks, like market downturns, maintenance costs, and tenant issues, those risks can be mitigated with proper research, location selection, and management. The key is to make informed decisions, and while real estate may require more effort and capital up front compared to other investments, the long-term benefits often outweigh those challenges. Here's the thing. If you're serious about protecting your wealth, especially as a retiree, it's crucial to explore strategies that safeguard your savings. Gold IRAs are one of the most effective ways to protect your wealth from inflation, and I want to invite you to check out a free guide that thousands of Americans are using to make sure their retirement savings stay safe, no matter what's happening with inflation. Just click the first link in the description to grab your free guide and learn more. Now let's dive a bit deeper into why real estate is a smart choice for inflation protection. Unlike stocks or bonds, real estate provides a consistent income source through rental properties. Additionally, you have the added benefit of tax advantages. For example, depreciation can help offset rental income and reduce your overall tax burden, making real estate not only a great hedge against inflation, but a smart tax strategy as well. But it's important to understand that not all real estate investments are created equal. Location is key. Urban areas or markets with high demand for housing tend to see stronger appreciation over time. Look for regions with growing populations, economic stability, and job opportunities. These areas are more likely to experience consistent demand for housing, which leads to higher property values and rental rates. Investing in the right markets can make all the difference. That being said, real estate isn't always the easiest thing to get into. It often requires substantial capital to get started, and as a retiree, you may be concerned about the upfront costs. That's where a gold IRA can complement your strategy. If you have $100K or more in an IRA or 401K, or even 5M Plus in savings, a gold IRA could be an ideal way to diversify your portfolio and protect your wealth while still allowing you to enjoy the stability of real estate. Remember, inflation is here to stay, and if you're not taking action to protect your wealth, you're risking your financial future. Real estate is a powerful tool, but combining it with other inflation-protecting strategies, like a gold IRA, can give you a much stronger position to weather inflation and safeguard your savings. If you're an American retiree with at least 100Ks in an IRA or 401K, or even 5M Plus in savings, now is the time to make sure your wealth is protected. Click the first link in the description to get your free gold IRA guide and learn more about how you can secure your financial future. The bottom line is this. Real estate is a proven hedge against inflation, and when used strategically, it can protect your wealth for years to come. Don't wait. Start making informed decisions today and ensure your retirement is as secure as possible.